Hi. Hi.
But we've done it almost at the end.
Almost at the end is not the end.
But we don't, you can go back to the end.
People have allowed me to be in front.
Sorry.
Jesus' name will finish today.
People should walk in fast now.
We can't walk fast. Huh? Are you supposed to run on top of this thing that is shaking? Now only me, they laugh. Oh. Yee.
Fiona is pushing down to this.
I'm not the one. Oh, that place is bent. Cut me some slack. I know I have weight,
Oh,
but
no. I thought you leaned on. Let's lean down on it.
we made it. Made it where?
We made it. We made it.
Go back.
You're going to tell me.
Let's go. Whew. Man. Don't talk.
Oh, let's see. Take me some picture here. What kind of plants is this?
These ones are natural trees
Okay.
that just bear these kinds of fruits.
Okay.
Yeah, but they are not eatable.
These trees are made for 20 minutes.
Yes, for long.
Okay. So we are going to the BNR nursery, which is a nursery for plants that are being transplanted in the forest, right? So let's go. Come with me, guys. Come with me. You can see these branches together. This is the content you signed up for. Whew. The whole environment looking all fine. Looking all cool. Oh.
do it this way, and then we transplant them. Right, to those extents that the fire has chopped up.
These people should be planting strawberry now. The weather is cold.
No, that one, we have guidance for those trees.
Where is it?
Right, in that direction we're going.
The growth thing.
What's going on? There's nothing much to it. This weather is so amazing. It's as if we are on the clouds. Like, look everywhere. Like, it's so amazing. Like, everywhere is just so beautiful. Wow. So nice.
You think I could have done like, I have 5,000 I could have done like,
Oh, nice. I love it. It's really amazing. This is my friend. What's your name? Desmond stays here in OBUDU. He's the one taking most of my clips for me. So this is my main G. He'll be taking us on a trip later. Just some small places he needs to show us. So stay tuned. So this is the mountain villa, right? How many apartments? 3-bedroom apartment each for each building like this. How do they call a building like this?
Mountain. I mean that is mountain plaza.
Okay, each one is a mountain villa. This is at the top of the mountain. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
This is at the top of the mountain. This place is really beautiful. So please help us introduce yourself, sir.
Okay, my name is Jerome Shiva. I'm your tour guide.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jerome. It's really amazing to be here. So I'll just be looking around while I wait for my friends to come.
I want them to be very patient so that they can open the one that they have no mopped.
Oh,
So
okay, that would be better. So I will not step on it. Right. Guys, as you can see, I'm currently at the mountain villa. This is one behind me, and there are several other ones spread across this location. So we'll be looking at one, and then I'll show you guys how it looks inside, and we'll see if we are going to upgrade our room to one of these mountain villas. Okay, so stay tuned. The villa, mountain villa. This is what it looks like. This is a kitchenette and a dining area. Okay, this is it. Wow, this is it's one of the restroom here. That's not your fast though. This is like a living area, another dining area.
Because of light.
Another room.
why?
And this, oh wow, this balcony is so beautiful.
Generator that is serving inside.
Then we have a balcony area.
Can this door open?
Yes.
But we've just
You can open this one. There are 3 doors. Yeah, I don't think this one is locked. This one is locked. Yes. I think this one is open.
That's another room. Pictures are so fine here.
Do you think that we should move?
No, we shouldn't leave.
Should we move?
Yeah, I love the place.